Ever wondered how those essential motorcycle helmets are made? Today, we're going behind the scenes at a helmet factory to witness the intricate process. The demand for safety gear, particularly motorcycle helmets, remains consistently high, driven by a growing awareness of rider safety and regulations. Helmets are, without a doubt, a crucial component of this protective gear. First, let's observe the creation of the hard shell, the helmet's primary defense. This begins with injection molding, a process where molten plastic, usually polycarbonate or a similar durable polymer, is forced into a mold under immense pressure. This high-pressure process is critical. It ensures the shell's structural integrity. The result is the robust outer shell, meticulously designed to withstand significant impact, safeguarding the rider's head in the event of an accident. Following the creation of the hard shell, the focus shifts to the all-important inner padding. This is typically crafted from expanded polystyrene, or EPS foam. This specialized foam is carefully inserted into the shell, forming a crucial layer of shock absorption. This padding is engineered to compress upon impact, dissipating the energy and cushioning the head, thereby minimizing the risk of serious injury. The foam's density and design are key factors in its effectiveness. The precision fitting of the padding is paramount. It must fit snugly, providing optimal protection without compromising comfort. Poorly fitted padding can reduce the helmet's effectiveness. Next, we observe the final assembly phase. This stage involves attaching the straps and the visor, transforming the individual components into a complete, functional helmet. The straps, often made of nylon or a similar strong material, are designed to ensure the helmet stays securely on the head during a crash. They are fully adjustable to accommodate different head sizes and shapes, ensuring a snug and secure fit. The visor, a clear or tinted shield, is crucial for protecting the eyes from the sun, wind, rain, and road debris. Its design balances optical clarity with impact resistance. Throughout the manufacturing process, quality control is of utmost importance. Every helmet undergoes rigorous testing and inspection to ensure it meets and often exceeds stringent safety standards. These tests often include impact tests, where helmets are dropped from a set height onto a variety of surfaces, and checks for durability, including resistance to penetration and abrasion. Quality control also encompasses visual inspections for defects and imperfections. These meticulous processes guarantee the helmet's effectiveness in protecting the rider. So, the next time you put on your helmet, take a moment to appreciate the journey it took. From the initial injection molding of the shell to the final assembly of the straps and visor, the entire process is dedicated to keeping you safe on the road. The design, materials, and construction all play vital roles in this critical task of head protection.